In this video, we will show you how to calibrate the compass on your Garmin Outdoor Multisport watch. This includes the Enduro, Epix, Phoenix, Instinct, Tactics, or Mark Series watches. Your watch was already calibrated at the factory and set to automatic calibration by default. However, we recommend occasionally calibrating your compass if you experience irregular compass behavior. For example, your watch may need to be calibrated after moving long distances or after extreme temperature changes. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we are in a nice wide open space, away from buildings, metal, or any other electronics that could cause interference. All of those will interfere with the calibration process. It is more reliable to calibrate your watch in the same position the watch will be worn. Now ensure the watch is securely fastened to the wrist that you typically wear it. Then open the settings menu by pressing and holding the up menu button. Most watches will require you to scroll down and either select Settings or Watch Settings with the GPS or Start-Stop button. Newer watches will require you to first scroll down and select
System.
Now select Compass from the list. For models including Instinct 2, Epix Gen 2, and Mark Series, use the down button to navigate to Sensors and Accessories. Now select Compass from the list. Then select Calibrate, followed by Start. An image will display showing you how to rotate the watch to get a successful calibration. Next, we will complete the figure 8 motion while moving the watch screen down halfway through. You should hear a tone, and the screen will state Calibration Complete. If for any reason the watch says calibration failed, try the process again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, see our other videos or visit us online at support.garmin.com.